Hello everyone. So we came for lunch after a long time. Pallavi is here. And this is Brooklyn Brewery. Ordered some drinks and some food. So it is basically afternoon, but it's very gloomy outside. It's raining. You can see, and hopefully we'll have a good time here. So today is 3rd of December, yeah, 2020, and there is some public holiday going on today, so we thought we'll just come out and have. Today I was a little free, so let's see what all things comes up. And we have ordered some starters. When the starters come, I'll show you guys what the things we're eating. Till then, hang on. So here comes the food. This was our first dish, that was fish and chips, and we started eating now already. Yes. And here comes the second dish, that was our favorite, roasted chili pork. So hopefully it will be really tasty. It looks really yummy, so we can start having now. And after this we'll order probably some main course. Let's finish this first, and then we'll go for the other course. So the food mania continues, and we are going to finish the starters. This fish was really fresh, and we really like this. And the other pork chili also, I have already told you, it was really yummy. They have served the fish and chips with some white sauce, and this is really yummy. So let's see after this what comes, and I'll let you guys know. Till then, enjoy the vlog. I'll let you guys know, the food is amazing here. The starters, we're still eating. It's really yummy. We actually called up the chef and told him that it's really good. You can see the tasty pork chili. So we are just loving the food here. Beautiful place, beautiful food. Hello. So we are in a break right now. We ate too much, and we thought we'll just walk around. You can see behind, a lot of places there here to walk around. So I thought I'll just take a walk and show you guys how this place looks like. So this is one of the sitting areas here outside, because we are in the afternoon and it's quite empty right now. And that is inside another place where you can sit. So me and Pallavi are just having a walk right now, and this is the outside where you can see the weather is really gloomy. It's really rainy and gloomy in Bangalore right now. So once our main course comes, that is like a surprise for everyone. We were gonna have that. Till then, just hang on, guys. So after waiting for almost 20 minutes, the pizza arrived. They actually freshly prepare the pizza. They hand toss the pizza and they make the dough, and then they prepare it here. It's a wood fired pizza, and it was really tasty. You can see the amount of cheese they have put on this, and this was our main course, and we were already very full. We knew we were not able to finish the pizza, but we thought we'll just have few bites and then probably take it home as parcel or takeaway. And really the food was really tasty, and me and Palvi both enjoyed today afternoon very much, and this outing was really needed, and this place is really recommended. This is in Kamanahalli in Bangalore, and the food was really good. So after the lunch we thought we'll have some ice cream, so here it is. You can see both of us are waiting to have it, and it's really yum. So basically we are in corner house. Behind us is corner house. This is the corner house. You can see.
No, they have removed all the seats,
Yeah.
tables, and
So we are outside corner house,
we are
trying
sitting
to have
outside.
our, hold this, no? Trying to have our ice cream. Try and tell me how is it. This is Pallavi's plan.
Full of nuts and chocolate sauce, hot chocolate sauce.
Give me also, na? I have camera in my hand. See? Not even giving me. So we'll enjoy this now. For now, we'll see you guys again. Bye bye. See you. So we'll finish the vlog here only. After that, we have to do some shopping and all. So hopefully you guys like the vlog today, and we'll see you again. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.